Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And to this video, this one will be a special one. A lot of you have been asking me to show you how I make my paints, so I decided to do that today. And without the further ado, let's get started. And the ingredients I will be using are a little bit less than 1/4 of a cup of honey, just a couple of drops of glycerin, some clove oil, also a couple of drops, and gum arabic powder, half a cup of gum arabic powder, and all of that I did mix with 1 cup of hot water and stored it in this glass container. I will put the recipe down in the description box so you can find also there exactly the measurements that you will be needing. Next thing, I've prepared my little containers. Took a cup, just use any basically cup you have, some tablespoons and teaspoons. First, in my container, I added, that's less than 1/4 of a teaspoon of whiting, then the pigment. And for the pigments, I am using natural pigments, earth pigments that are eco-friendly and has nothing chemical in them, if I should say that. So they're absolutely eco-friendly. You can wash them down your sink or whatever, and you won't pollute anything. And also in that same mixture for the paint, I have been using 1 teaspoon of paint, and then added 1 teaspoon of that mixture I've made from honey, gum arabic powder, water, and clove oil. And also I've dropped in right now, you can see a couple of drops of glycerin and also a couple of drops of clove oil, and then pre-mixed all of that into this nice, well, not very thick, but you know, that mixture. You can add as much as that liquid that you made from honey, gum arabic powder, water, and clove oil. You can add maybe same amount as you add pigment. You don't have to add more. If you add same amount, your paints will be a little bit more creamier. If you add less, they will be a little bit less watery or liquid-like. But when it dries, it will be hardened. But if you add more of the liquid, you will have a little bit less pigmented paints, and if you add less liquid, your paints will be a little more pigmented. And now when I'm finished with those paints, I just wanted to show you how they all look. That mixture, I've made 6 paints, and first one is black, then I'm using white. This white is quite opaque, not really like a watercolor. You can even see that I did cover just a little bit of that line that I made. And then this is the red one, yellowish actually. This one is just a little bit darker than yellow. I did use a yellow color and one that is a little bit more ochre, and I made one brownish and then one, I guess, bluish color. And those are the 6 paints that I've made. You can see that the ingredients are actually, there are a lot of ingredients, and when you buy them, you get a lot of them, and you cannot really use them for a very, very long time. I made it in a cute little container. So right now I'm just doing the swatches of the colors I've made, and you can see if you add a little bit of the white in any of those colors, you will get beautiful pastelish color, also just a little bit less transparent and a little bit more opaque. And if you don't add white but add a little bit more of the black, you will get a little bit more stronger colors, not pastel, it's quite stronger. So there is a variety of colors, a lot of colors that you can mix with those 4 plus white and black color and get beautiful colors. Those are basically all the colors that I used for my winter series paintings, so you can paint all of the winter paintings with them. And now there it is, that cute little metal container that I made. Those are the 6 paints. And again, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, maybe learned something, maybe you will give it a try and try to make your own paints. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment, and if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. Maybe consider joining my channel. That's the join next to the subscribe button. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!